Hello, children. Welcome back to our English period. So, I hope you just enacted the play in your home with the help of your parents. Okay, have you enacted the play? Okay, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the play. Okay, have you read the chapter? Okay, gone through the chapter? Yes. So, let us start with the pointers. That is page number 63 in your textbook. Okay, let us start our period with the thought again on sharing. So it is the time you share today is the time you will remember tomorrow. Yes, children, the time you shared today is the time you will remember tomorrow. Yes, very right. So now we will start with the pointers. Okay. So new word and meanings I will give you that you will repeat thrice in your copy and you have to learn the word meanings. Okay, children. Let us start with the pointers. So I will be giving you the answers. Let us discuss this first. Then I will give you this answer in the form of PDF that you have to write neatly, correctly in your classwork copy. You have to finish. Okay. So now let us start. First question on page number 63, that is answer the following questions. Okay, answer the following question. First question is, where does the story take place? Yes, any guesses, children? Yes, I know that you know the answer. The story takes place in a village. Yeah. So now move to next one. B1, list the characters in the play and write one or two lines about each. You have to, how many characters are, children? How many characters are there in this play? That is Motiram, then Sonabai, Hirabai, Rupabai, and the main one, that is the traveler. So you have to write few lines about these characters. For example, Motiram, he is a farmer. He had a good produce of crops. He does not want to advertise because he is afraid he would have guests at home and he would have to share with them. Okay, so this is the means we have to write the main things what you get to know about this characters in 3 to 4 lines. Okay, so this answer I will be giving you, so you can add more lines if you want. Okay, children, so I will give you this answer, so you will copy down properly in your copy. That is regarding Motiram, Sonabai, Hirabai, Rupabai and traveler. Okay. Okay, now we will move to next one, question number C. How do the traveler avoid giving any how do the okay sorry how do the following avoid giving anything to the traveler? Okay, what excuses they made, that you have to write in this question. How do the following avoid giving anything to the traveler? So first of all, what Motiram said. Motiram, he tells the traveler that dinner was over and nothing was left. He tells the traveler to try elsewhere. Yes, children, right? Okay. So this is said by Motiram. Next is Sonabai. What Sonabai said, she pretended to be hard of hearing, which eventually made the traveler try elsewhere. Eventually means in the end the traveler had to try elsewhere. Then what Hirabai said, she pretended not to understand the traveler's language and spoke gibberish, that is nonsense, which made the traveler try elsewhere. Yes, children, true? Okay, now what? Lastly, Rupabai. She told the traveler that she too was very hungry because she had not made anything as her ladder was empty. Yes, so these were the excuses made by the characters to the traveler. Yes, children. So this you will. This answer also I will give. Okay, now next is question number D. Find what Hirabai tells the traveler by reading her words from right to left. Okay, what she said in that, um, what she said. Okay, children, have you any guesses? So, what she said, go away, no food, and no rest for anyone here. This is the correct form of what she said. Go away, no food, and no rest for anyone here. Okay. Okay, now next is apart from from the stone, how many things go into the soup apart from the stone? So mention the things that went into the soup. So apart from the stone, what went, children? That is water, potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, beans, onions, ginger, salt, and pepper go into the making of soup. Yes, yes, right. Okay, now next is, does the traveler really have a magic stone? Yes, children, did he have a magic stone? No, the traveler does not have a magic stone, but he uses the stone to make the miserly villagers believe that the stone was magical. It was the magic of their sharing. Yes, there was no role of stone. Yes, okay, now we will move to question number 2. That is, what is given? On any one page, note against the speech of every character what feelings it should show to bring out the meaning best. For example, that is, you have to note the means what feelings it show to bring out the meaning best regarding the characters. For example, they must be showing somewhere, they must be showing joy, fear, anger, nervousness, friendliness, dislike, surprise, wonder, excitement, politeness, rudeness, cunning, curiosity. So these are the various feelings. Okay, so you have to find out, that is one page, and you have to express the feeling of every character. Like you can say Rupa by her feeling that she was surprised, she was wondering. Like Traveler, he was regretting. Okay, Rupa by in somewhere she was behaving in cunning way. Traveler somewhere he was expressing his joy and he was expecting something from the villagers, his children. Next is Rupa by, she was unsure. Again Sona by, she was showing friendliness. Hira by, she was apologetic. Okay, in this way you can show the feelings of various characters. Okay, children. Okay, now next is read aloud and enact the play. You have to read the chapter thoroughly, children. Okay, understand the chapter and you can enact the play. You will enjoy. Okay, you can enact, say the dialogue said by various characters and enjoy the play by enacting. Okay, okay, now we will move to next slide. What is given? Question number 4. Write a recipe for the stone soup. Okay, right, you have to write a recipe. You can do this. You have to make your own simple recipe of your choice. Okay, you have to mention the ingredients, you have to mention the method. This is important. Okay, if you are means finding out a simple recipe for of your choice, you have to write the ingredients first and you have to write the method. Okay, try something. Okay, recipe for the stone soup. Okay, now next is number 5. Form pairs. Write at least one short dialogue for each of the following expressions. Okay. Okay, now you have to form pairs. Like you can do this at home or you can with the help of your friend. You can now we cannot go to your friends, means you can visit your friend's house. So by in phone you can do. Okay, you can do this activity. So you have to form the pair. Okay, and you have to what it is, at least one short dialogue for each of the following expressions are given. You have to frame the dialogues. Okay, for example, it is given uh, example it is given that now here it is given regarding two friends are talking, like Amit and Sumit. What Amit is saying, I think all schools should reopen now. Okay, so what is the question given? Form pairs, write at least one short dialogue for each of the following expressions. So go to the expression, children. Expressions are, first is I agree, true, you are right, why not, okay, thank you. So this expression you have to use. So now see what two friends are talking. See the dialogues. What Amit is, you have to use this expression in your dialogues. Now see what Amit is saying. I think all schools should reopen now. Now what Sumit is saying, I agree. So you have used this expression, I agree, right? Next is, take another two pair, Mohit and Rohit. Okay, now we will use the expression true. So Mohit is saying, it has been raining cats and dogs. He is using a he is saying it has been raining cats and dogs. So Rohit is saying true, means he want to say that it is raining heavily. Okay, and Rohit is saying true. Okay, next is you have to use this expression, you are right. So now take two names. Okay, you can like we can say Sangeeta and Neeta. So Sangeeta is saying there is a solution to every problem. What Neeta expressing? You are right. Okay, children. In this way, you have to form the short dialogue for each of this expression given here. Next is why not. You can take two. One friend is saying, will I be able to complete this project all by myself? So another friend is saying, why not? Okay, to mean that something can be done. So he want to say that his friend that yes, you can do it. So that's why he is saying, why not? Okay, next is last expression, thank you. Here you can say anything. Like one friend one is saying, here are the English notes you wanted. So another friend is saying, expressing how? By saying thank you. So in this way, children, you have to form pairs and you have to frame the dialogue and you have to use these expression given. Okay, you can frame your own or you can frame more than one also for this expression, that is I agree, true, you are right, why not, and thank you. Okay, very interesting na, frame dialogues and enjoy English language. Yes children, yes. Okay, next one, number 6, question number 6, find the meaning of charity begins at home. Find the meaning of charity begins at home. Find other sayings which have a similar meaning. So I told you what do you mean by charity begins at home. So charity begins at home. The meaning of this proverb is a person's first responsibility is to look after the needs of his own family and friends. Okay, we can see that people should deal with the needs of people close to them. We can say that people should deal with the needs of people close to them before they think about helping others. This is the meaning of charity begins at home. So you have to find other sayings which have a similar meaning. Okay, children. For example, we can say, oh, excuse me, children. So we can say, home sweet home. It is used when one returns home after being away to say that one is happy to be, especially after an extended period away from it. Okay, so in this way we can use home sweet home, or we can say another one, home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is. It means no matter who you are with or where you are in the world, your family and home always have the deepest affection and emotional pull. It is the place where you have a foundation of love, warmth, and happy memories. Okay, it might not always be the building itself, but being near your loved ones. Okay, it is very important that you should be near your loved ones. This is the meaning of home where the heart is. Okay, next is when we can say a home away from home, means a place in which you are as comfortable as in your own home. You are the most comfortable where? At your home. Okay, wherever you go, but the most comfortable place for you is your home. Okay children, with your loved ones. So in this way you can find more proverbs which have the similar meaning, like charity begins at home. Okay children, you can do this. Okay, next one. Now what, list 5 questions from the play which can be answered with yes or no. You have to find out 5 questions which can be answered with yes or no. For example, does it melt away? Does it melt away? It means here the stone. So your answer can be yes or no. Does it melt away? No. Next is, have you guessed the secret of the stone soup? Do you think that is right? Can I have some food? Anyone at home? So this type of questions you have to find out, and you have for which the answer can be yes or no. Okay children, this you can do. I will be giving you this answer, but you can find out more. Okay, now next is smart answers. Form a, what is given? Where is the question? Yes, question. Form a large group. Each person asks the next one a question to get him to say yes or no. Okay, you have this. You can do with your friends or with your family members. Form a large group. Each person asks the next one a question to get him to say yes or no. Okay, you have to frame such kind of question for which the answer will be yes or no. He or she can use appropriate statements, request, or even other questions as a response. So the person, he can use appropriate statements or request, okay, or even other questions as a response. But if he says yes or no, she is out. Okay, so what is given, each person asks the next one a question to get him to say yes or no. Okay, she can use appropriate statement, request, or even other question as a response. But condition is, if he or she says yes or no, he or she is out. Okay, you have to ask the question for which the answer is yes or no. The person will use appropriate statement, request, or even other question as a response. But if he says yes or no, he is out. Otherwise, he or she continues the game and question cannot be repeated. So this kind of play you can do at home. Okay, children. Now next is last one, visitor library. Find stories about hosts and guests. Share them with the class. Now here you can share with your friends. Okay. Classify the stories into funny and serious stories. You have to classify them. If you're getting three or four stories, you have to classify them into funny and serious stories. Okay, children. So this is regarding the chapter stone soup and its pointer. You have to, I will be giving you some answers, some activities you have to do at home. Okay, children, don't miss anything. Complete each and everything and repeat the meaning as I said earlier and complete your pointers. Okay, children. Now we'll stop here and we will meet in the next period with the next chapter. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.